I need to figure out how to get more handy with my Stream Deck, to be honest. The only thing I use it for are my scenes. But I know some people use it to like cue different sounds. And honestly, I need to figure out how to do that. I used to have sounds that chat could activate, like way back when I first started streaming. But it would never actually work. So I just disabled the audio cues altogether. It was weird. Dang, how do we get down there? Are those like teleportation points? That little thing that you can stand on. There's a planty-do seed. Oh, a key.
Hey yo, pretty mama, come on down so I can get a lick of you.